Hi, welcome to the Musician's Journey. I'm George Martin, and today I'm going to be looking at, I'm going to be setting up my new Rode NT1-A studio condenser microphone, and this, which is a sound booth. It fits on a microphone stand, and it stops the voice hitting the wall and then getting those reflections back on the microphone, picking them up. So it's a sort of absorbent material around it to stop that happening. And what I'll do is I shall record some vocals without the sound booth there, and then I will record with the sound booth there, and we can see how much of a difference it's actually making. So to start with, the Rode NT1-A, which okay, so here we go. What have we got in the box? We have got lots of cardboard, as always. A sticker. I love Rode. And some the XLR blue ring. Oh, love your blue ring, share with us. I've no idea what that is, but I'll find out. And then the quick start guide. Okay, that's. Then we have this bad boy here, which is a microphone pouch. And the actual microphone itself looks quite nice. It's quite solid, quite sturdy metal. So just put that down there for the minute. Get rid of this box in just a second. A pop shield pop filter. Forgotten that was in there actually. And the actual mount itself, and another box. So we get a pop filter, we get a shock mount, an XLR cable, the actual microphone, and a little bag, which maybe that'll fit in. Okay, so it's just quite a heavy, it's a heavy old shock mount, this. So I imagine, yeah, that will screw into there. Or the other side, I guess, lower down, if that's where you want it. And bring in this second box. So it's actually called an RF reflection filter. Hello. Some cardboard inserts. And then two final bits. So the first bit is the actual reflection bit itself. So you can see, so you know, my head will be in here, and that will absorb the sound waves coming from my mouth, they're not going to hit the wall and bounce back into the microphone. So that's quite sturdy actually, it's quite nice. Fairly big. It's not a fold away thing, so that's one thing. Okay, I'm not sure what this bit is. Must be some sort of, okay, it's the mounting bracket. So we've got some lugs, nuts, screws, whatever you want to call the mounting bracket. And instructions and another sticker. So, see you in a minute. Right, so here we are, all ready to set it up. I've had a quick look at all the parts, which you've seen me taking them apart, taking out the box. I've had a quick look. I think I know how they all go together. So here goes. First thing is the bracket for the reflector. That screws onto the top of the microphone stand, which is this. This is the microphone stand. Let's have a... Okay. Right, so now I shall be able to screw this on. Making sure we get nice and square on the thread. Cool. Right, that's that. It's got to go back to about there. I've got to straighten that up. Put the pop filter on. It's not square. So that's on. That's on. That's on. Yeah. So that's not square. Let's bring that up to square. Put this back on. No idea how this video is going to turn out, because I just keep hiding behind things. We want that just a tad further back, I think, about there. And there we are. There we are. So, yeah, where are we? You say there we are. Let's put, that's round about, it needs to be a bit higher actually for singing purposes. Probably about there. Yep. Now you can't see it, but let's have a quick look. I mean, it looks high up, but it's not actually high up. It's just that the camera's low down. Okay, so I've got it set up now. The next bit, record a few bits and pieces of sound and see how it goes. Right, so here we are. I've taken the reflector off, and I'm going to just do a quick test with the reflector off. Then I'll put the filter back on again, and we'll do a side-by-side comparison after this. And you can make your own mind up as to what you think, what you hear. Okay, so here we go with the reflector filter off. Mary had a little lamb. Its fleece was white as snow, and everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I shall put the reflector filter back on, whatever the hell it's called. Okay, so that's it back on now. Now we'll do the same test again with the filter on, and we'll do a side-by-side comparison, as I said. Mary had a little lamb. Its fleece was white as snow, and everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And there we go. Mary had a little lamb. Its fleece was white as snow. And everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go. Mary had a little lamb. Its fleece was white as snow. And everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, there you go. Putting together the NT1A and the SE RF Reflexion sound booth. Did you notice the difference? Put a note in the comments, let me know. And again, as always, if you liked it, like it. Subscribe. Cheers.